Hello, Sheila here from Aion Metrology to discuss the characteristic of flatness with you. Flatness is something you'll see on your drawings in relationship to a surface, and that surface is usually a mating or sealing surface, so the overall form of the surface is very important. And while you can measure this characteristic manually, it does take a lot of time and it's very difficult to do this accurately. So today we're going to use my handy dandy 3D printed block here, and we're going to measure flatness with the CMM.
My Zeiss Duramax machine is a scanning machine, which means a probe will make contact with the part and scan along the surface. As it scans, it's picking up points for the measurement. In Calypso, you can choose your step width, which is the spacing between the points, or you can determine the exact amount of points for the machine to take. Here I've chosen 1 point per thou, which equates to approximately 1 point per 25 microns. On my 3D block, I've set the machine to measure around the outside edges. However, you can program the machine to scan the surface any way you like. My top surface is broken into two sections. However, they can be combined in the Calypso software. Here in Calypso, we have the CAD model for my block. My top two surface sections are here, which I've named A left and A right. On the model, you can see the probe's travel path in yellow. I recall the points from both sections into one plane to make the overall surface. If I open up A left, you can see the probe has recorded 3,811 points. A right has 2,596 points. So as you can see, a lot of data has been picked up over a quick scan of the surface. My data may is made up of both surfaces, so it's showing 6,407 points. Moving on to the Characteristics tab, we can take a look at the results on our flatness measurement. As you can see by the tolerance and actual numbers, we're slightly out of spec. While knowing you're not in compliance with your print is important, I would argue knowing how and why you're out is just as important. This is where a picture really is worth 1,000 words. On my model, I can see where my high and low zones are on my flatness measurement, blue indicating low and red indicating high. The green areas are showing where you're in compliance. When working with cast or molded parts, knowing the shape of your part can be very helpful in understanding why the part is not flat. Is it curved, wavy, bowed? Does it have sunken or swollen areas? These are questions that are answered quickly with a visual, helping reduce downtime while problem solving. Flatness measurements are just one of the many things that a CMM excels at. Here at Aion Metrology, we can bring you the power of a CMM before you're ready to invest in one. See our YouTube channel to watch a video on contract inspections. Call 1-905-805-0536 to contact us today to find out how we can help you with your inspections and Calypso programming. Thanks for watching.